You can go from this to this. This is my new owl made completely out of chicken wire and stainless steel wire. And it took me over 20 hours to finish it. And this is the process I took. First, I made the head by wrapping lots and lots of individual strands of a chicken wire around a frame that I made, mainly focusing on the eyes. So at the moment I'm making, if you can tell, an owl. It's going to have its wings spread open. I've never made an owl with its wings spread open before. Hopefully it turns out okay. I really struggled with its face and it was really annoying me, but I'm pushing through the slump. So in the comments, show me your art you're making in your slump. So I thought I'd give you a little peek how the owl's coming along. So I've fully attached its body. I've taken the skeleton of its wings off, which we'll build them up separately later, but I've finished its feet. So obviously its legs are very thin at the moment, but we'll build that up as we go along. More of a chicken wire to give it much fatter legs. But its feet are done, other than it needs its nails clipping. So we give it a little trim, we fan up its legs, and then we'll work onto the wings. And as a wire artist, making my second ever owl is going quite well. I don't know if I love it yet till I finish it, but we'll find out. Owl update. So I've fastened up its legs here. Do you know how long an owl's legs are? It's actually insane. You don't really notice it when you're all tucked up inside. So I've thickened up its legs. I've taken a lot of wire on there. And I've put a few more layers just around the body, just to secure it on, and just a little basic guide for where the tail will go. So next will be adding the actual tail and the wings. So I've modified the wings that I had just slightly to, you can see, with a thicker gauge wire here, of which then we build this up and make it a much more smoother thing on the actual owl. So yeah, my owl is done. This is how it looks. Need to find it something to stand on, as at the moment it falls forwards, but we'll attach it to a log or something like that and it will look awesome. Or if someone brought it like this, they could attach it to a fence, which again would look awesome in itself. Wingspan fully across there. Now the real question is, should I paint it or should I leave it like this? And it's quite cool, but would it come more alive if it was painted and had the right colours? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more. And here is how it looked at the first market that I took it to. Now it's actually on a very long stick that I've screwed it onto just for the market, or if someone wanted to buy it like that, I suppose they could. But I think I'm going to get a big log / stump style thing and attach a small stick to that. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Follow along for more wire art antics, and comment if you like my owl, and like and please and all of that stuff, and watch this last little bit for a sneak peek of what I'm going to make next.